Hello and welcome to another Brews and Bricks speed build and click score, where we put together and rate LEGO sets both new and old. My name is Patrick, and today we're doing the 2025 Harry Potter Advent Calendar. Again, I love Advent calendars. I've already done Minecraft, so we're on to the next one. We're going to go ahead and do a speed build of all 24 sets in a row, and then stick around after. We're going to give it not a click score like I do with a normal regular set. These don't really call for that, but still give it a quick review, talk about what I liked, didn't like, that sort of thing. But it should be fun either way. But with all of that said, let's get started. Alright, hope you enjoyed that speed build of all 24 days. We're going to do a quick review, not a full-on click score like we would for a regular set. These advent calendars don't really call for that, but still a few words. Alright, to note, cost feels a little high. It was $45. I bought it on sale. I would not pay $45 for this. It should have been $40. There is 278 pieces. That's a lot. There's a bunch of minifigs. That's fine and all. This is the IP tax calling. I mean, $40 would have been appropriate, but where do you think that extra $5 goes to? So, got to pay the Harry Potter people somehow. All right, and for that extra $5 IP tax, they actually did a really good job with these. All the minifigures have like a holiday sweater on. A lot of the builds themselves are holiday themed, clearly holiday themed. If you go back to my Minecraft one, I had some issues there because it kind of wasn't. But this one, it clearly is. Plus, I really like the bottles. I think those are probably the best part. Only disappointments I have really is that the Thestral and Buckbeak are basically the same model with two different part differences and a different tail. Otherwise, the same thing. Could have added a little extra creativity there, but it's still pretty cool. Still glad I got this, so I can't wait to see what they do next year with this. They seem to get better every year. I like this one better than the 2024. All right, well, that's all I got for this set. Let me know what you think in the comments below, whether you put it together yourself or just checked out this little review of ours here. But either way, let me know what you think. And of course, if you could, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. All of those mean the world to me. But with all that said, thank you again and take care.